How to add posts to a thread post. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add posts to a thread post. Now, how do you do this? This is very simple, okay? Threads allows you to pull a poll on your post, add videos, add pictures, and its components to your post. And to do that, first step is to login into your account, your Trace account. Once you are logged in, move to the bottom part of the screen and click the plus icon. After clicking the plus icon on the composers page, you'll see some tabs, some options like the media icon, camera icon, the GIF icon, the record icon for you to make an audio post, and then the poll icon. Just click on that, and then you can now go ahead to type to make the poll. All right, so I'm just going to type an example here. Okay, with the question mark, then yes or no. You can go ahead to add other options like, and once you're done, go to the bottom right corner of the screen and click post, and just like that, your poll has been posted on thread, and whoever sees it can make their own vote by selecting the option they belong to. So this is how to add polls to a thread post. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.